Hello viewer. In this video we will discuss on 7 financial tips for a better future. Please subscribe if you like this content. Managing money effectively and saving money are important skills that can contribute to financial stability and long-term success. Here are 7 tips for money management and saving money. Create a budget. Establish a monthly budget that outlines your income and all your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into fixed, example, rent, utilities, and variable, example, entertainment, dining out, to identify areas where you can cut back. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from relying on credit cards or loans during financial crisis. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account each month. Treating savings as a non-negotiable expense can help you consistently build your savings over time. Consider using employer-sponsored retirement plans or automatic contributions to investment accounts for long-term savings goals. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits regularly and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include dining out less, canceling subscription services you don't use, or finding more affordable alternatives. Use cash for discretionary spending to make it easier to stick to your budget. Comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, compare prices from different retailers and look for discounts or promotions. This can apply to both everyday items and larger purchases. Take advantage of price comparison websites and apps to find the best deals. Debt management. Develop a plan to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit cards. Paying more than the minimum payment can significantly reduce the amount of interest you'll pay over time. Consider consolidating high-interest debts into a low-interest option if it makes financial sense. Financial goals. Set short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, having clear goals can motivate you to make smarter financial decisions. Revisit and adjust your goals regularly as your financial situation evolves. Remember, financial management is a continuous process, and it's essential to adapt your strategies based on your changing circumstances. Regularly reassess your budget and financial goals to ensure you stay on track. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this content.